Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by powering off the phone and placing it face up on a flat, clean surface. This prevents accidental touches and dust. Use an adhesive removal tab or dental floss to get under one corner. This creates a controlled gap so you don't shatter the glass. Once you have a small lift, make sure to keep the lifted corner low and steady. You'll avoid sudden snaps and reduce stress to the tempered glass while preparing for a slow peel. You peel the protector slowly and evenly, maintaining a 30 to 45 degree angle so adhesive releases predictably. This minimizes shards and keeps the screen safe. If you hit resistance or a crack starts, stop and increase the corner lift, or apply gentle heat for 10-15 seconds to soften adhesive. Don't overheat. Once removed, clean any leftover adhesive with an alcohol wipe, then dry and use a dust removal sticker. A spotless surface ensures the new tempered glass will align and adhere properly. You align the new tempered glass precisely by matching the camera and sensor cutouts, then lower the protector starting at the center so it seats uniformly. This prevents edge gaps. Once it touches, press firmly from the middle outward to expel air. Use a plastic card wrapped in microfiber for stubborn bubbles, moving toward the edges. If a large bubble or poor adhesion remains, lift gently to reseat. If it won't bond, replace the protector. Proper adhesion is essential for protection and touch accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.